Hi yogis, thank you for joining me today. Today I have a very beautiful traditional Hatha Yoga practice for you. We start with warm up, so let's be standing and legs are hip wide apart, and we're doing a slow rotation of the head. When the head goes to the back, we breathe in, and when the head comes to the front, we breathe out. And do it with a gentle movement here and with the pace that is completely comfortable for you. And now we're doing our head and neck warm up. We are pushing the head twice to the back, twice to the left, twice to the right, twice to the one diagonal, twice to the other diagonal, and starting from the beginning to the back, to the left, to the right, to one diagonal and the other diagonal. We are awakening the throat chakra here, and all the inner energy channels, they are awakening as well. So now moving on with our warm-up here, we're rotating the shoulders one by one to reach the ears. This is also very good for your spine. You're massaging the spine, and make this a powerful movement here. Now moving on, we're going to fold forward a little bit and let your belly fully be relaxed. And now we're placing our hands under our belly button and our thumbs are behind us. Now we're doing a deep massage for our belly. To one side and go as deep into the belly with your hands as possible. Now raise both your hands up, stretch to the back, and now we're stretching forward, folding our body forward as well, and make sure that your knees are not locked, but they are soft. And just allow this energy to be released through the hands. Energy moves from the earth, coming up to your legs, coming up to the tailbone of the spine, all the way to the hands, and circling back to the Mother Earth. And you can imagine this beautiful energy circle happening here, and everything that you don't need anymore, you just give everything away to Mother Earth, and she will transmute this energy and give this healed and powerful energy back to your body. Very good. Now slowly make your way up. And now we're going to all fours here, and we're lifting the left arm and the right leg. And we're keeping that position here. Deep breaths here and just hold that posture. This is a powerful solar plexus opening and activating practice here. And switch to the other side and keep that posture. Deep breaths here. And again with Hatha Yoga, we're keeping our asanas and we're holding them a bit longer here. And the reason why we are doing this is because, as in the heart of yoga, we are teaching our body if we are uncomfortable, teaching our body how to just relax and breathe through that. And essentially what this does to our, in the situations in our real life, whenever we are facing any uncomfortable situation, then we are just capable to handle it, because we have practiced ourselves to be uncomfortable and to just relax through this. And if you do it enough times, then this becomes your being. You are this relaxed being who goes through life with being fearless and just calm and centered. Very good. Now come to sitting pose, and with your legs wide apart, and we're stretching forward and stretch to the one side. If you can, reach your toes. This stretch is very good for our vagus nervous system. This is absolutely just stretching it and making our nervous system calmer. Now we're moving into the butterfly pose here. This is opening the hips, working with our Svadhisthana chakra here, the base of our emotions. And many times emotions can be trapped in this chakra, in this hip area. So this movement is very grounding and balancing and just activating our beautiful Svadhisthana chakra here. And when we are working with the lower three chakras, Muladhara, Svadhisthana, and the solar plexus chakra, then this allows to us to move out from the lower energies, from fear, from lack, from anything that doesn't really need to be there. And this allows us to move higher in our energetic bodies, and our physical bodies start to feel lighter, more flexible and at ease. And of course this has direct impact to our mental clarity as well. Working with the Muladhara, and this is very, very grounding and balancing and overall calming, reaching our toes with our hands. And again, energy moves from the legs to through the spine to the top of the head, through the hands. And again, we're moving this beautiful energetic system here, this circle, and you can imagine a deep red color as well, if that makes you more connected to this root chakra of yours. Good. Now we're moving on, and we're going to lie down to the ground, and we're doing the happy baby pose. And you can start to move with a little bit stretches here. And what this does, it's again very balancing, but mainly focusing on the Svadhisthana chakra here. So we're releasing any trapped emotions that are in that area. And now just swing from one side to the other side and feel this beautiful energy in your body. Very good. Now stretch yourself. And we're gonna stay here for Shavasana. With every breath, my body softens and peace flows through me effortlessly. I surrender fully to stillness. My mind becomes clear, calm, and spacious. My breath nourishes me. My breath restores me. My breath is my home. I release all tension. Everything that no longer serves me has melted away with ease. In this moment, I am whole. I am grounded. I am enough. My body rests in complete safety. I welcome deep rest here. I welcome deep healing and renewal. Every inhale brings light into my being. Every exhale carries away heaviness. I honor my body for carrying me, my breath for guiding me, and this moment for holding me. Peace is within me. Peace surrounds me. Peace is me. I allow myself to simply be open, relaxed, and deeply connected. My heart softens, my mind quiets, and my entire being returns to balance. I am a pure being. I am a powerful soul. I am calm and stable always. My mind is pure. My heart is pure. My body is pure. All is well. Thank you. And now if you're ready, you can start to move and stretch yourself. Give thanks to your body for giving this absolutely amazing practice today, this very nurturing and healing practice. I hope you loved it as much as I do, and I wish you all the best. Bye.